I'm so used to the rain, so used to the storm, so used to not having shit. Now I gotta try to make my way out. It's like I'm stuck in a box and I can't get out. Hey, and I'm so used to it raining on me. And I'm so used to it raining on me. Yeah. Ever since I got older, I feel rain and I feel pain. Man, I swear shit ain't the same. It's like my mind getting harder, my mind thinking better, and now I'm trying to make my way up out of this box. I'm stuck in hell, I'm stuck in the cell. Man, that white people wanna see the blacks up in jail, but I promise to myself I won't go back to jail. I'd rather be dead or underground up in hell, and I can't go. I promise to myself ain't no hope, cause if a nigga run up on me, guarantee I'ma blow. And I'm so used to the rain and the pain with my folk. I done seen a lot of shit that done got me a vote, and I don't know why my mind's so crazy. And I just wonder why, man, my mind's so crazy. I done been with nights, no light, see my daddy beat my mama ass. How the fuck I supposed to live when my whole life for trash? And I'm so used to it raining on me. Yeah, and I'm so used to it raining on me. And I'm so used to it raining on me. May the 6th, 95, man, that's when I was born. Young nigga trying to make it, chasing all my dreams, boy. Feeling like I'm Meek Mill, a Lil Snoop, R.I.P. How they kill my young nigga in the fucking street. I know it's a cold world and a cold meat. I'm trying to make it out of hard on the cold beat. And I'm so used to this weather raining on me. Can everybody call me stupid or crazy, but man, I gotta make it out. Cause my whole life changed. Everybody changed like the winter, man, my family changed. Ain't no fucking body the same. They all want something, want money, or they tryna make a young nigga funny. And I can't make it if ain't nobody helping me. I had to do about